Busy mornings deserve healthy, quick and easy breakfasts. And what better and simpler than an egg? We will be whisking eggs in one pan to make 7 new recipes. And no chef hat is needed. Let's crack on. Cream cheese eggs. This recipe is a break from the same old everyday breakfast. Just a few simple ingredients and you have a creamy breakfast. All you need is a slice of bread and cheese. 10 grams of cream cheese or however much you like using. Pipe the cream cheese into the bag. Place the cheese slice on the bread and pipe the cream cheese around the borders of the bread, creating a kind of wall. Now pour your egg and top it with 1 tablespoon of bacon pieces, or any salty meat, maybe sausage or turkey. If you've got time, add some veggies. Add another cheese slice on top. Cook it in the oven for just 2 minutes at 150 degrees. Let the cheese melt and the egg cook. Voila, you have a wonderful, delicious, cheesy egg slice ready for breakfast. Perhaps you could finish by sprinkling a little bit of fresh herb. Enjoy. Fried egg and tofu curry. Boil 6 eggs for about 5 minutes. Remove the shell and keep it aside. Meanwhile, pour 500 milliliters of oil into a large pan and heat it. Now, carefully add the boiled eggs to the oil. Remember to keep flipping the eggs frequently until they turn golden brown. That looks deliciously crispy. Once done, remove from oil and keep it aside. Now crush 4 cloves of garlic, 5 small red onions, 5 hazelnuts, and 1 tablespoon of pepper in a mortar. To a pan over medium heat, add 3 tablespoons of oil along with the mashed spices. Then add 3 sticks of lemongrass and 3 bay leaves. To the pan, add 500 milliliters of milk and fried eggs along with 100 grams of tofu. 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder. Gently mix everything and let it boil on a low flame. In another pan, deep fry 100 grams of sliced red onion until golden brown. Remove from oil and sprinkle over the eggs. Sprinkle some fresh red chilli. There we go. Time to tuck into your delicious meal, but be careful, it's spicy. Eggs and sausage salad. Take a boiled egg and slice it into pieces. Heat 250 milliliters of oil in a pan and lay out the egg slices. Fry them while flipping them continuously until golden brown on both sides. Remove from oil and keep it aside. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of red onion, and 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Give it all a good mix. Then add 4 tablespoons of yellow pepper, 2 tablespoons of green pepper, and 3 tablespoons of red chili. Mix all this and let it cook for a few minutes. Now add 100 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. Then throw in 100 grams of sliced sausage. Mix well to let the mixture coat well. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now add the fried eggs and mix everything well at medium heat. Garnish with chopped spring onion and enjoy your breakfast salad. Fried egg with tomato paste. Add 200 milliliters of oil to a pan. Crack in 6 eggs, sunny side up, and let it fry. Aim to keep the yolks intact. Keep on frying until the white is fully cooked. Remove and keep it aside. To a mortar, add 2 tablespoons of yellow pepper, 5 tablespoons of red chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 hazelnuts, 1 tablespoon of seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of palm sugar. Mince the spices into a paste and keep aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan and add 2 tablespoons of garlic and 4 tablespoons of red onion. Fry until they become translucent. To this, add the minced spices and continue to heat. Pour in 100 milliliters of water and bring it to a boil. After a few minutes, add 50 grams of sliced tomatoes and chopped spring onion. Cook this paste for a few minutes and remove from heat. Now it's time to serve up your eggs with a big dollop of spicy sauce on top. Eggs baked in avocado. Begin by cracking eggs in a bowl. Cover the baking tray with baking paper and place the half avocados with green side up. Now, using a plastic bottle, gently squeeze out the egg yolk and place it over the avocado half. Sprinkle dried bacon and mozzarella cheese over one avocado. To another, add half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of dill. And 1 tablespoon of ham. And 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. Let's try half a teaspoon of black pepper and the fresh parsley. Add another 1 tablespoon of mozzarella and half a teaspoon of dill. Finally, 1 tablespoon of yellow pepper and half a teaspoon of parsley. Grind some salt over the avocados. Make sure to add pepper too. Now simply bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. This is an easy dish and a terrific idea for healthy party food. Egg mayo sandwich. This egg mayo sandwich is a time saver for a busy mornings. Take a Ziploc bag and roll it out to make an open bowl. Throw in 3 hard-boiled eggs, 150 grams of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of oregano and zip up your bag. Gently squeeze and mash the bag with your fingers to break up the egg and mix the ingredients. Flatten out one corner and use a pair of scissors to snip it off, forming a makeshift piping bag. Take a slice of toast and squeeze out your filling on it. Squeeze as much as you like. Then finish by placing another toast slice. Cut down in the middle. Serve the egg mayo sandwich with a green salad and perhaps some ketchup. Cheesy spinach baked eggs. First of all, we want 2 cloves of garlic. Finely chop the garlic. Add some olive oil to the pan and throw in the finely chopped garlic. Stir whilst it simmers. As it smells great, add 6 cups of fresh spinach. After 5 minutes, the spinach will start to wilt, and that's what you want. Now add half a cup of grated mozzarella cheese. Give it a good mix. To this, add half a cup of grated cheddar cheese while continuing to stir. Now fill half the ramekin with the spinach mixture. Crack some eggs on the top. Put this in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. All we need now is to wait. This is perfect. Top it with some spring onion and seasoning. That looks delicious. Now all you need to do is eat them. Try these egg breakfasts, tag us, and show off your breakfast game. More recipes coming your way. Stay hungry.